Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change a language on your LG TV. Currently it's in English. I'm going to change it over to Spanish and then change it back again to English, and then you'll get the idea. You can change it to whatever language the menu allows you to change it to. So we're going to go to the settings icon, which is this little button just here, and you can scroll around either using the arrows here and click in on the scroll button, or you can use the magic remote here. So we're going to go down to the three dots here, which is all settings, and then we're going to go to general. You can see general here, and we have an option for language just here. And if you have a look, we've got a menu language, currently English. That will also be the language that you will do your dictation in if you're speaking into the remote. You've got your primary audio language. If we hover over that, it actually says select your first language of choice of audio language for digital broadcast. If the selected language does not support, the default language from broadcast will be used. So if the broadcast allows a different language, you can change it here. If not, the default language will be used. You've got secondary audio language, and you've also got keyboard languages as well, along with the teletext ones down here. So let's just go up to menu language, and we're going to change that to Spanish. So if we go down here, there you go. Espanol. Here we go. So let's change it to Spanish. So I'm just going to click OK on that one there. And it says the available external voice recognition services may change depending on the language setting. Also, if you change the menu language, the setting menu is reloaded. Do you want to continue? I'm going to go to yes. This does actually take about a minute or so to load up. So just let it do its thing for a bit. I'll fast forward through this. And there we go, it has now changed. If we go back into the gear icon here, and if we go to all settings and general, well, you can see already that it's all in Spanish here. Can you see all down here? Yeah. And if I go to general here, what's nice is though that even here, they've got language in English just next to it here. So if you've made a mistake, you can still work your way back. And there we have, yeah, so obviously you can change again from, you can change these ones to Spanish as well. If you wanted, you can click on here and you'll be able to change down. So for example, I can go to there, yeah. But I'm going to just leave it as English, and I'm going to go back one, and I'm going to change it back to English. There, and now it's going to whir away. See, it's going to whir away, and then it will be reverted back to English. So hopefully if you've accidentally put it to a different language, you can just follow the little symbols on the side here, and then you'll be able to get it back to your chosen language. And there you go. If I go here now, you'll be able to see that all of this here is currently in English. So that's it, nice and straightforward to change the language on an LG TV. Thanks for watching.